In this video, we will be giving you an overview of Onsign TV, its history, services, key financials, and some pros and cons of Onsign TV. Let's get straight into the video. Onsign TV is a digital signage platform that allows businesses to create, manage, and display interactive content on screens in their locations. The platform offers a range of features and tools for creating engaging content, including customizable templates, real-time data integration, and support for multiple media formats. Users of Onsign TV can make dynamic content that can be tailored to specific audience, locations, and objectives. Users can produce content with a professional appearance, using the platform's customizable options, and a selection of pre-designed templates. Businesses can display live weather, stock prices, and social media feeds thanks to Onsign TV's real-time data integration. Businesses can use this feature to instantly adapt to changing conditions, and maintain relevant and fresh content. Images, videos, slideshows, and web pages are just a few of the media types that Onsign TV can play. Businesses are able to come up with a wide range of engaging content thanks to this, such as announcements about employees, educational materials, and product promotions. Onsign TV can work with a scope of equipment and programming, including televisions, screens, booths, and cell phones. Businesses are able to create interactive experiences that engage employees and customers by displaying their content on a variety of screens and devices thanks to this. Onsign TV Key Facts. Founding year. It was founded in 2012. Headquarters. Central Hong Kong Island, Hong Kong. Company type. For profit. Industry type. Digital marketing. Let's quickly dive into the history of Onsign TV. Onsign TV is a digital signage platform founded in 2012 by Dimitri Padro, who saw the potential of using digital signage to improve communication and engagement in various industries. Its initial focus was on supplying small businesses and organizations with digital signage solutions. A straightforward, user-friendly digital signage platform that enabled content creation and management was the company's first offering. This product immediately acquired prevalence among private ventures, who utilized it to further develop correspondence with their clients and representatives. In 2013, Onsign TV expanded its product line to include more advanced features and tools. This included support for multiple screens, real-time data integration, and custom templates. The company also began to focus on specific industries, such as retail, healthcare, and education, in order to provide tailored solutions for their unique needs. In 2015, Onsign TV launched its first cloud-based digital signage platform. This new product allowed users to access and manage their digital signage content from anywhere using any device. The company also began to offer professional services, such as content creation and installation support, to help businesses get the most out of their digital signage systems. Onsign TV reached a significant milestone in 2017, when the industry publication Digital Signage Today named it one of the world's best digital signage providers. The company's position as a leading digital signage player was strengthened by this recognition. In addition, the business introduced a new line of smart displays in 2017 that were made to work with popular business applications like Microsoft Office, Google Analytics, and Salesforce. Onsign TV's product line continues to evolve and innovate today. In order to assist businesses and organizations in enhancing communication and audience engagement, the company is committed to providing digital signage solutions that are user-friendly, effective, and affordable. Before we continue, if you are getting value from this video, kindly help us to put this video in front of many that may need it by clicking the like button and sharing this video with people that it will interest in your network. Thank you for staying tuned. Moving on to Onsign TV services. Onsign TV offers a range of services for businesses looking to create and manage dynamic, interactive content on their screens. These services includes content creation. To effectively communicate with their audience, users of Onsign TV can easily create a variety of content types, including videos, images, and text. Onsign TV's simple tools for making content are one of its most important features. The platform's drag-and-drop editor makes it simple for users to create, and personalize content without having to be skilled in design. Because of this, it is simple for users to create content that is tailored to their needs and target audience and has a professional appearance. Additionally, it provides a large selection of pre-designed templates and content that users can easily adapt to meet their requirements. This includes templates for common types of content like event schedules, promotional messages, and news updates. To ensure that their content is consistent with the brand, users can also create their own templates. Onsign TV lets users create dynamic content that updates in real time, in addition to static content. Live updates to the weather, headlines from the news, and social media feeds are all examples of this. Even when the content is displayed for an extended period of time, this guarantees that users will be able to keep their audience engaged and informed. 2. Content management. Onsign TV's user-friendly content management system is a key feature. Businesses can easily create, edit, and manage their content using this system, as well as schedule and publish it to a variety of screens and devices. Additionally, the content management system provides a variety of templates and customization options, enabling businesses to produce engaging and professional content that is suited to their audience and brand. In addition to its content management capabilities, Onsign TV also offers a range of tools and features that enhance the display of content on screens and devices. This includes features such as screen division, which allows businesses to divide their screens into multiple sections, and display multiple pieces of content simultaneously. It also includes features such as screen zoning, which allows businesses to create custom zones on their screens, and display specific content in each zone. It also provides a variety of integrations with popular marketing and content management platforms like MailChimp, Google Sheets, and Analytics. Businesses are able to gain valuable insights into their content performance and audience engagement by integrating their marketing and content management strategies with ease thanks to this. 3. Integration with other systems. Onsign TV has the ability to integrate with other systems, enabling businesses to display information from these systems on their screens. For example, Onsign TV can be integrated with point-of-sale systems to display real-time sales data and inventory levels, or with customer relationship management systems to show personalized content to customers based on their preferences and purchase history. It also offers integration with social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram, allowing businesses to display user-generated content and interact with their audience in real time. This can help to increase engagement and build a sense of community among customers. Additionally, Onsign TV can be integrated with other forms of digital signage, such as kiosks and touchscreens, to provide customers with a seamless and interactive experience. Customers can be provided with content that is both personalized and engaging thanks to this, and businesses can also gain valuable insights and feedback from their interactions with the screens. 4. Analytics and reporting. Users can monitor and evaluate the efficacy of their digital signage campaigns and video content in a variety of ways with the analytics and reporting service provided by Onsign TV. This includes keeping track of important metrics like the number of views, average viewing time, and interactions, as well as determining which campaigns and videos are doing the best and which need work. The analytics and reporting service offered by Onsign TV has a lot going for it, because it can connect to other platforms and tools. Users are able to get a more complete picture of their overall marketing performance by combining data from their digital signage campaigns with information from other sources, like social media analytics or website analytics. 5. Support and training. The support and training services offered by Onsign TV are made to ensure that customers are able to use and manage their digital signage systems efficiently and get the most out of them. All users have access to these services, which are a crucial component of Onsign TV's commitment to providing exceptional customer support. Let's talk about Onsign TV key financials. 1. With a net income of $3.5 million in 2021, Onsign TV experienced strong financial growth compared to the previous year's net income of $1.8 million. 2. The year 2021's revenue was $15 million, up 25% from the previous year. 3. Onsign TV likewise saw a huge expansion in its gross profit in 2021, which increased to $11 million, an increment of 35% from the earlier year. 4. Onsign TV's operating expenses decreased by 10% in 2021 to $7 million, a decrease of 10% from the previous year. Finally is Onsign TV pros and cons. Pros. 1. Customizable content. Businesses can produce and personalize their own content, including videos, images, and text, through Onsign TV. Because of this, businesses are able to tailor their messaging to their particular audience and requirements. 2. Easy to use. Onsign TV has a user-friendly interface, and a variety of content creation and management templates and tools. This makes it simple for businesses to produce content with a polished appearance without requiring specialized design skills. 3. Cost-effective. Onsign TV is affordable for businesses of all sizes thanks to its variety of pricing options. Additionally, businesses may be able to save money on print and other traditional advertising costs by using the platform. Cons. 1. Limited functionality. Although Onsign TV provides a variety of tools and features, not all businesses may require them all. Because of this, it may not be able to meet the requirements of businesses that are more specialized or complex. 2. Dependency on internet connection. To display content, Onsign TV requires an internet connection. This means that a company's digital signage will also be affected if their internet goes down. In conclusion, Onsign TV is a powerful digital signage platform with a variety of tools and features for managing engaging content creation. Its adaptable layouts, continuous information incorporation, and backing for numerous media designs make it a flexible and viable answer for organizations hoping to work on their digital signage. That's all we got for you today. Make sure to leave a comment below of what you think about Onsign TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified when next we post a video.